Hi, Kelly Savage. I'm actually just wanted to be thankful today. I was recently very sick. Very, very sick. I had a viral infection for, weeks. Didn't seem to go away. Kept on attacking all kinds of different parts of my body and in different ways. And then it finally knocked me down. Not too many things knocked me down. This knocked me down. So after being knocked down and day after day not being able to even get out of bed, then having to go to the hospital because you're so severely dehydrated, and just overwhelmingly feeling, wow. Anyway, I'm thankful today because when you do start to feel good, first day, I have my appetite back. Lost 6 pounds in one matter of less than 48 hours. No, this really isn't a woe is me, a little clip. It is a thankful clip. You know, sometimes when we hit that little bottom, sometimes we keep on going deeper and deeper. Sometimes it just needs to be a little thing. Sometimes it's a big thing. But we bounce back and we realize how happy we truly are, how blessed we truly are. And that is what I'm realizing. So this is merely a thankfulness post. What are you thankful for today? I know you can think of something. Alrighty, have a good day. Talk to you soon.